Hey guys, welcome to Sam 610. So in today's video, I want to show you a really neat toolbar that you can use on Windows 10. So this is the Nexus toolbar. By the way, guys, I am not sponsored by Nexus, but if you're like me, you probably have a scattered desktop just full of icons. Before I did this video, I actually cleaned up my desktop very well. It looked really bad, and I had a lot of stuff down here and the other toolbar. So what this toolbar is basically an alternative to using your start bar or using your Windows toolbar provided by Windows 10. So basically I just use my toolbar just for, basically my YouTube editing, and everything that I need, all the tools that I need are actually on this toolbar. And just to show you guys how easy it is to add and remove stuff, I'll just take this Audacity icon, I'll click it and drag it where I want, and it'll actually rest right in that spot. So that's how you add it. And to remove it, you just right click and remove from dock, and it asks you for a confirmation, yes or no. You hit yes, and then it's gone. Very simple, guys. So if you guys want to actually change this dock, you can actually change the different type settings. So if you go under preferences, you can actually change the themes. Right now I'm on the Leopard iOS type of theme because I kind of like how it looks, being transparent, gives you that macOS type look. But like here they have the NX Fire, you can do fire if you're into that. For a while I was actually using white metal, so if you do white metal you just click apply and that's it. But I'm going to go back to the Leopard because I really dig the iOS type setting, so I just keep it on this setting. And this is really quick. I mean, it's not, it's really responsive, it's fast. Nexus gives a really nice dock toolbar, for Windows 10. Just to go over with you guys some of the things that I use. Of course, I use Adobe Premiere Pro CC. I'm still in 2018, guys. I don't know if I'm just afraid to use something new, or I just don't want to make that leap into 2020. I thought about trying out Adobe Premiere 2020, but I just haven't got there yet. For the type of stuff that I use on YouTube, I think that 2018 suits me well for editing my videos. Drop me a comment if anybody's using a higher version and what type of different features that the newer version offers in 2018. I'd be curious to know. I use 4K downloader on 4K downloader, or 4K video downloader rather. You're actually able to go through and back up your entire YouTube channel. I do pay for this license. I want to do some B-roll on some other YouTube videos. I can go on here and download the videos directly from YouTube by doing a copy paste into the link. If you guys want to see a video on that, just let me know, drop me a comment, and I'll be more than willing to show you a video on what I do to say B-roll. Of course, I do it within my means. You don't want any copyright strikes, so be very careful on that. You want to make sure that you're able to use that information. Sometimes YouTube might throw a strike out there if you download material and you use it and you don't get permission. So I can go into another video if you guys are interested. I use Debut video capture software. I actually switched over to Camtasia 9. Debut, I was using this for years to record my screens, but I found Camtasia 9 to be a lot more useful and a lot more easier and faster to use on my computer. Netgear Genie rather. Can't talk today. I'm only on my first cup of coffee still, guys, so bear with me. Netgear Genie, I can use this to actually go through my router settings, reboot my router, check my Wi-Fi settings if I'm running into issues, if I'm doing editing or surfing the web, and it's really quick to access. Here I have my YouTube channel dashboard. I have it set up where I can just go in and click and view my analytics on a day-to-day basis rather than going in and click multiple icons to get there. Here I have my RAM meter. The RAM meter is nice if you're editing your YouTube videos and you want to see how much memory you're, what you're using when you're editing your videos. If it starts to slow down your computer, you can just go through, click on this. You really don't even have to click on it. It'll actually give you live updates right here, and this way you know where your computer stands, when you're editing and things start to bog down and things get really slow. Of course, Google Chrome. You have to have Google Chrome. I love using Google Chrome. Let me know what you guys use in the browser. I'd be curious to know what everybody else uses, but Google Chrome works for me. Of course, I use it for TubeBuddy, and I use it for YouTube, and it just kind of speeds up the process. Anytime I use Microsoft Edge, I kind of just run into a whole bunch of different problems when I use Microsoft Explorer, when I use Explorer. Fast boot, you can have it fast boot, you can have it shut down fast, reboot fast. You just click the button and it just goes through the process. Here, capture desktop, you can actually go through and capture your screenshots, whether they're using Windows, and what it does is once it's done, it'll leave a file, a JPEG file right on your desktop, and you can just do snapshots of different things if you're putting like a presentation together or a YouTube video. And you want to do a bunch of screenshots. This is a really fast way to do it. Daily weather, you can get your weather. It'll give you your 5-day forecast. It's kind of nice. So I don't have to worry about going in a special Weather Channel website or have to go and click multiple different places. I just come on every morning and I see it's 56 degrees Fahrenheit and I just move on. And of course here, guys, you have your recycler, your recycle bin. Nothing fancy here. So there you have it. This is what I like to use. I suggest that you guys use this. I'm not, again, I'm not sponsored by Nexus, but it's very helpful to have all the tools where you want. It's interactive. It's fun. You get that crisp, if you will, icons popping up. I really like this effect, this animation. They did a good job on this. I want to include a link to Nexus's website where you guys can download this in the description of this video. Well, this is where I'm going to leave this video, guys. I wanted to share with you something informational, something that I use on a day-to-day basis to help me. If you found any value to the video, guys, please give me a thumbs up. And as always, guys, later.